Hi friends, and welcome back to my happy home. And if you're a first time visitor, welcome. Thank you all so much for stopping by. In this video I'm going to share with you how I create my spring centerpiece for my dining table. And I wanted to do this a few weeks ago. I got these fresh daffodils and hyacinths, and I didn't find the time to make this centerpiece sooner. And as you can see, the flowers are already in bloom, so I thought I would go ahead and make the centerpiece as soon as possible so I can still enjoy these gorgeous flowers. And these hyacinths, you guys, they smell amazing. So for this centerpiece I'm going to be using this yellow tray that I have for such a long time. I got this at IKEA, I think years and years ago, and I am actually using this because it's glass and I can put in the soil, and afterwards I can clean it out very easily. And I am using these, as I said, these daffodils and these pink hyacinths. I started out with putting some soil into the tray so I can arrange my flowers the way I'd like them to. And for now you see I'm just arranging them, and you can still see the white roots, but with the soil I am going to cover up all the white roots. And what I love about these spring flowers, you guys, is that they have this super cute bulbs, and I think that's so pretty and decorative. So I am not going to cover up the flower bulbs themselves, just the white roots, as you can see here. You can create any kind of arrangement that you like, you guys. You can use tulips or some other flowers that is to your liking, but I am really loving hyacinths because they smell so good. My entire house smells of these gorgeous flowers. So and I love yellow daffodils. I just love yellow for spring, and I thought it was a nice combination to use as a centerpiece. So I just finished covering up all the white roots, and now I'm going to be using this moss to cover up the soil. I had this lying around and I didn't really use it, but I am going to cover up the soil because I think it gives it a more decorative look. I hardly use moss in any of my decor because I think it's a very messy thing to use, but I thought for this centerpiece it would be very nice to give it that more naturey and springy look. To give this centerpiece a more whimsical look and to give it more dimension, I decided to mix up this other type of moss, and I think it gives it more of a color, dimension and structure to it. So I am mixing this with the other moss that I already used. Since I'm going to be using this centerpiece as an Easter decor as well, I am adding these foam Easter eggs that I glued on some wooden skewers, you guys, and I'm just randomly sticking them into the flowers, and I thought that would give it such a really nice Easter look. So far my centerpiece is really coming along nice, you guys. I am adding these decorative wooden sticks that I had lying around. I use these in my fall decor, but I thought they would give this centerpiece that more naturey feeling and more rustic feeling to it. So I am adding just a few of these wooden sticks to my centerpiece. So I am adding some more Easter decor. I had these small quail eggs that I used previously in my Easter decor, and I am just randomly spreading them around my centerpiece. And what is a Easter centerpiece with some cute chickies, you guys? I thrifted these I think 2 years ago or last year, I'm not sure, but I got these for only 25 cents each, and I thought they were so cute. So I am going to add these as well to my centerpiece. And this is the final result, you guys. I am totally loving how this came together. I went ahead and added some extra chickies in the back of this centerpiece, so from which angle you view it, you will have a complete look, including the chickies of this beautiful centerpiece. Again, I am really loving how this turned out with the moss and the wood sticks. It is really that rustic, naturey feeling that I have when spring starts to come around. So you guys, this brings this video to a conclusion. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that you have enjoyed making this centerpiece together with me. I really did, and I hope that I have given you some idea of how to make an easy, simple, on a budget Easter or spring centerpiece for well, either your dining table or maybe in your kitchen. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video really soon. Bye!